Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm back in the kitchen. I had to run to the grocery store. I did a live about it, about how many times I've forgotten something major for a recipe and have to run back to the grocery store or to the Dollar General. Anyway, I came home to these beauties. I'll show y'all. I'm excited about that. And I have to thank Smith Ridge Farms for them. And they have a Facebook page, and I think it's Smith Ridge Farms, all together in your Facebook search. It's in our area, a local farm family, Brown Summit, North Carolina, and these are their strawberries. So I thought it might be a good time for us to chat. What I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna have a cheat night. Yep, I am. And I didn't bake a pound cake. But if you don't know about these Sara Lee little pound cakes that are in the freezer at the at the Food Line, these are really good for strawberries and whipped cream. I used to buy those little cups. They were a little spongy. Bought those for years and also had them as a kid. These are much better, just so you know. Anyway, so what's up with you guys tonight? And tell me what y'all do with strawberries where you are. When you get strawberries, what do y'all do with them? I'm gonna grab something to put these tops in while y'all are loading them. Get a trash bowl. Cookie's in the kitchen with me. Let's do that. Anyway, we're having leftovers for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna put together some football player potatoes. That was in Mama's Always Right cookbook, and put with the chicken tenders wrapped in bacon that I did a video with this week. And we're gonna have that in a salad and be done with it. Maybe, I don't know, try to relax, whatever that is. I'm gonna start capping these and I'll see what you guys are saying. Judy is watching from Littleton, Colorado. Well, hey Judy, good to see you. Let me see if I can do this at the same time. These strawberries, not far from us, and they are super sweet. I've already tasted a few of them. And I'm gonna cut a few and put in this container with no sugar or anything on it because I want to use those in a salad. And if I get to do that salad, I will video it and I'll post it. But that's my plan. Hello there. Hey, Phyllis. Phyllis says, hello, Lisa. Delicious recipe for strawberries. You use, you know what? I'll have to read that back when my hands aren't full. Hey there, is it Sarah? Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. I'm just slicing up some strawberries, but I would love to know from the viewers what y'all do with your strawberries. Do you just eat them? Do you put them in a smoothie? Do you freeze them? Do you make a cake or a cobbler? Or I would love to know. You know, I take it for granted when I'm on Cooking, Cutting Up that everybody knows what a cobbler is. They don't. So sometimes it's nice to have different people weigh in on what their recipes are and how they utilize them. Janet was telling me that she thought that strawberry pretzel salad, when I did that, which is Paula Dean's recipe, and I love it, she thought it would be like a green salad. In essence, it's like congealed with cream cheese and Cool Whip, and it's delicious, and pretzels. So I'm gonna do a takeoff on that. Anyway, strawberry shortcake. I love strawberry shortcake. One of my favorite things in the whole world. And love it when it's strawberry season and we can do all these things with strawberries. From Stokesdale, North Carolina, look like you've lost weight. Well, thank you, Sandra. I'm down about 14 pounds, to be honest with you. Now, that don't mean that when you see me again in 2 weeks that I can't put it back on, because I can. Okay, because I love to eat. And I have to really work hard on trying to eat healthier and not overeat and eat sweets after every meal. And yeah, because I'm that person. I could eat something sweet after every single meal. Chocolate covered strawberries, yum. That sounds delicious. Let's see who else is out there on the live. Well, hey, Sonia. Thanks for watching. I'm cutting up strawberries. And Cookie's like sandwiched herself right below my feet. I don't know if y'all can see her, but she gets right up under me with her toy and her ball. She's my child these days. My shadow. Hey, Kelly Doss Wallace. Kelly, these are from a local farm. I don't know if you have a local one near you, but these are from Smith Ridge Farm, and they've got plenty right now. Strawberries. And they have a Facebook page. Really nice people. Strawberry banana pudding. Oh my God, that sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. Look how big these things are compared to my hand. I mean, they are big and juicy and sweet. Just the right time and combination things for these strawberries to be delicious. Well, hey, Jerry. Jerry says, good afternoon. I'm about 20 minutes from out. I'll check them out. Kelly, really nice folks. And their strawberries look really good this year. Just saying. It's nice to have that little heads up where to go. But you can look them up on Facebook. I'm going to put a, what do you call it thing? You know, like a tag or whatever when the video posts to the page so that you can go right to it. I can't even remember the terminology. I'm from the 80s. I was a 1970s baby. I can't remember all that stuff. I just can't. And I'm hormonal. I'm 53. I can't remember that stuff. Anyway. I'm doing well, Sean. Thank you for asking. Just cutting up some strawberries. I'm going to put some sugar on these, and we'll have a piece of that Sara Lee pound cake that I got out of the frozen section at the Food Line. If you don't make your own pound cake and you want a good piece of cake for strawberries to go over, that's a good one. I'm just saying. Just trying to help y'all out like friends do. Anyway, I love all your recipes. Well, thank you, Trisha. I appreciate that so much. I enjoy doing them, and I also enjoy sharing them. Anyway, it's Friday night, and I am going to, hold on, rinse my hands, and I'm going to sign off for now and finish my strawberries, and then I'm going to put my football player potatoes together, and then get supper started to warm up because we're having leftovers. Please, under this feed though, tell us what you do with your strawberries. How do you like them? What's your recipe that you go to for them? Keep sharing. People love that stuff, and that's really been a big part of my page. So please share those things, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Friday evening, and we'll see y'all later. Thanks for tuning in to Cuttin' Up, keeping it real. See ya.